Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly time frame, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, US dollar CAD, the euro yen, the euro yen list seems extremely clearly be the 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now, and eventually it's going to go back up for a wave 5. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame, we had a very strong move to the upside on the yen pairs last night in the Asian session, and luckily, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been recommending that everybody do nothing but look for longs on sort of time frames. Now, I think it's a wave A, I think it's a wave B, and I think it needs to eventually go down for a wave C. But oftentimes, what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending up. And luckily for us, we're looking for longs on sort of time frames anyway, so it definitely doesn't matter. Going down to the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure to the upside several weeks ago, we should have been doing nothing but looking for logs in an uptrend on sort of time frames. If this really is an A, a B, and a C of B, then we will definitely get a Fibonacci bounce. We'll definitely get a break of structure to the downside, showing us to stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts. Until we see this picture right here, we need to do nothing but look for logs on sort of time frames. And if it just keeps on trending up and making new highs, that is definitely not going to be a problem for me. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level is still way down here. And this definitely, since the last impulsive move up, looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3, which means that this is almost definitely not over. And even when it does turn down, it's just going to be a wave 4 and eventually back up for a wave 5. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, very, very clearly an uptrend with a break in trend. So wave 1, wave 2, very, very clearly an uptrend for wave 3. This wave 3 is not even over. I mean, it could easily just keep on going up, and I would expect it to at least go up to the next fib level around the 165.1. Eventually, it does have to make a pullback, which should be a wave 4, probably similar to the size of the wave 2, and eventually back up for that wave 5. I know one thing is I'm definitely still not looking for shorts. I would not even short it with your money. I would only be looking for logs at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.